Exploring the enigmatic Gobi Steppe of Mongolia. A journey across vast horizons. The Gobi Steppe, a captivating and diverse landscape located in southern Mongolia and northern China, has long been a subject of fascination for adventurers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts. This vast expanse of desert, grasslands, and unique ecosystems offers a wealth of educational and enlightening experiences that showcase the beauty and challenges of life in an extreme environment. The Gobi Steppe is a remarkable combination of desert and steppe landscapes. Its features range from expansive sand dunes to arid plateaus and rocky canyons. These towering dunes, also known as the Singing Sands, are some of the largest in the world, reaching heights of up to 300 meters, 984 feet. The dunes create a mesmerizing soundscape as the wind sweeps across their surface. Also known as the Vulture's Mouth, Yol Valley is a deep and narrow gorge known for its ice formations that persist well into the summer. This unique microclimate supports a variety of plant and animal species. The Flaming Cliffs, scientifically known as Bayanzag, are famous for their striking red and orange hues, particularly illuminated during sunrise and sunset. This site is renowned for yielding important dinosaur fossils, including the first discovery of dinosaur eggs. The Gobi Steppe is characterized by an extreme continental climate with temperature variations that can be both intense and rapid. These rapid shifts challenge both the flora and fauna adapted to this environment. The Gobi Steppe receives minimal rainfall, often less than 200 millimeters, 7.9 inches, annually, contributing to its desert-like conditions. Despite its harsh environment, the Gobi Steppe supports an array of plants and animals that have evolved to thrive in its extremes. The Gobi is home to the wild Bactrian camel, a critically endangered species with unique adaptations to desert life. Snow leopards, Gobi bears, and numerous bird species are also found here. Resilient plants like saxaul trees and various drought-resistant grasses have adapted to the Gobi's limited water resources. The Gobi Steppe has been inhabited for thousands of years, and its history is deeply intertwined with the nomadic way of life. Nomadic herding communities have traditionally inhabited the Gobi, relying on their herds of camels, horses, sheep, and goats for sustenance and livelihood. The traditional circular dwellings known as gurs or yurts are the homes of these nomadic people. Their design is portable and well-suited for a lifestyle that involves constant movement. The Gobi Steppe is an archaeological treasure trove, renowned for its remarkable fossil discoveries. The Flaming Cliffs are famous for revealing dinosaur fossils and eggs, providing valuable insights into prehistoric life. Balancing the allure of tourism with the preservation of this delicate ecosystem is a crucial challenge for the region. Sustainable tourism initiatives aim to minimize the ecological impact of visitors while supporting local communities. The Gobi Steppe is an educational and enlightening destination that offers a profound appreciation for the forces of nature, the resilience of life, and the richness of cultural heritage. Through responsible exploration, conservation efforts, and cultural understanding, we can ensure that the Gobi's beauty and significance are preserved for generations to come.